In this video, I am going to show you how you can open fixed deposit in Kotak Bank through internet banking. First of all, open the web browser. In Google, type Kotak Bank. So from the results, just click on the kotak.com, which is an official website. To book fixed deposit through Kotak Net Banking, you should have the Kotak Net Banking service enabled in your account. The Kotak Net Banking can be accessed by using the CRN and password. So once you land on the Kotak Bank official website, just click on the login button from the home page. So this will take you to the login page. Over here, enter your CRN number of your account or the username. So once entering the CRN number, enter the captcha code which is displayed in this image. Once entering the captcha code, just click on the next button. So you'll need to enter the password of your internet banking account. Once entering the password, just click on secure login. This will send the one-time password on your registered mobile number as well as the registered email address. So enter the OTP received on your email or registered mobile number. So once entering the OTP code, just click on the secure login. So this will make you log in into the internet banking account. So first of all, to book fixed deposit, make sure you have the sufficient balance in your savings bank account. To view the balance available in your savings account, just click on the view balance against the assets, and this will display the available balance in your savings account. So whatever fixed deposit value which you wish to book in Kotak Bank, you should have that much balance in your savings account. So to proceed booking fixed deposit, just click on the accounts and deposit tab. So from this page, just click on the fixed and recurring deposit. Over here under deposit, you will find fixed deposit, recurring deposit and other type of deposit. So to open fixed deposit, just click on open against the fixed deposit option. So this will give you three options: fixed deposit, recurring deposit and tax saving deposit. Here in this video, we will be booking fixed deposit. So we'll select the first option, which is the fixed deposit. The fixed deposit, just click on create fixed deposit. Over here, you will need to enter the amount or the value of which you wish to open the fixed deposit. Minimum amount fixed deposit which you can open with Kotak Bank is rupees 5,000. So enter the amount of which you wish to open the fixed deposit. In the next field, it will show you your account. Whatever amount which you enter to book the fixed deposit, that amount will be debited from this savings account. Next, you will need to select the duration you would like to invest. So to view the interest rates, you can just click on view tenure and interest rate. This will display the current interest rates. So you can just compare and select whichever duration with which you can earn more interest. So select the year or the duration you want to invest the amount. So once you select the duration, the interest rate will be displayed over here at the bottom of the page, and the maturity amount and maturity date will also be displayed. So as per the duration you select, interest rate, maturity and the maturity amount will be displayed over here. If you are senior citizen, an extra interest will be applied to your fixed deposit. So once you select the duration, just select the when would you like to receive the interest. So over here there will be three options: at maturity, monthly or quarterly. If you want to receive the interest at the time of maturity, then select at maturity. If you want to receive the interest on monthly basis, which will be credited to your savings account, then select the monthly. If you want to receive the interest generated to your principal at the end of every quarter, then select quarterly. So here we'll select at maturity, which means whatever interest will be earned will be received at the maturity period of the FD. So once selecting this, next select add a nominee for this deposit. So over here you can select the previously added nominee in your account, or you can even add a new nominee. So once you finish with this, just click on the more options. The more options will display several options, such as if you wish to display nominee name in the deposit advice, just select yes. By default this will be set to no, which means the nominee name will not be printed on the deposit slip. If you wish to display the nominee name on the deposit advice, then just click on yes. Next, action upon maturity. So over here there will be again three options: renew interest and principal, redeem principal and interest, redeem interest and renew principal. New interest and principal will be like auto renewal, which means both the principal and interest will carry forward as deposit amount for next tenure, which will be like auto renewal. If you wish both the principal and interest to be credited in your savings account, then you will need to select redeem principal and interest. And if you want interest to be credited to your account and principal to be carried forward as deposit, then you need to select redeem interest and renew principal. So over here we'll select renew interest and principal. Next, the account will be mentioned over here, to which saving account details will be mentioned over here, to which the fixed deposit will be credited once the maturity period ends. So let's keep this. Deposit will be opened at the home branch, and just click on the I accept to the terms and condition and click on the proceed button. On the next page, it will ask you to verify fixed deposit details. So you need to just verify the details if all the details are been entered correctly, or if you have selected the tenure correctly and the amount to be booked for fixed deposit correct. So once you have verified these details, just click on the submit button. So you have successfully booked the fixed deposit in Kotak Bank using net banking. You can download the acknowledgement of the fixed deposit by clicking on the download acknowledgement. So the acknowledgement receipt will be in PDF file format. It will contain all the details about your fixed deposit booked by you. You can store these for future reference purpose, as well as the fixed deposit will be linked to your savings account, which you can access by logging into Kotak Bank net banking as well as through the Kotak mobile banking app. So this is how you can easily book fixed deposit in Kotak Bank through internet banking.